Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Navy Federal Credit Card, secure access step by step clearly. To begin the login process for your Navy Federal Credit Card, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the official Navy Federal website URL and press enter. Once the home page loads, locate the login button, typically found at the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. You will see fields for entering your username and password. If you are a first-time user, look for the sign up option to create an account. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, type your password in the corresponding field. Ensure that both your username and password are entered correctly. Take a moment to check for any typos or spelling mistakes. If you have forgotten your username or password, click on the Forgot Username or Password link. Follow the on-screen instructions to recover or reset your login information. Once you have entered your credentials, click on the Login button to gain access. If your details are correct, you will be directed to your account dashboard. If you encounter any issues logging in, double-check your login information. If problems persist, consider contacting Navy Federal Customer Support for assistance. Remember to log out once you are finished, especially on shared devices. This ensures your account remains secure after each session. You are now equipped to manage your Navy Federal Credit Card online securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.